Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by duplicating the background layer so you never lose the original image. Next, isolate the reflection area with the lasso or pen tool. Accuracy matters because repairs borrow nearby texture. Once selected, add a layer mask and apply a small feather, around 0.5 to 2 pixels, to soften transitions. You do this so cloned or painted fix blends naturally. Make sure to zoom to at least 100% to inspect hairline edges. Now you remove the reflection using the right tool for the job. Try spot healing or the patch tool first for small glare. They read texture and produce fast fixes. For tougher patches, switch to clone stamp set to 30–50% opacity and build up pixels gradually, sampling from areas with matching texture and direction. Once done, use a low-flow mixer brush or healing brush to harmonize highlights and shadows so the repaired area sits convincingly in the scene. Finish by blending tonal and color differences so the repair is invisible. Apply a subtle Gaussian blur or a 12px smart blur on the repair layer if edges look too sharp, and use curves or hue/saturation to match brightness and color. Once done, toggle the original layer to compare and inspect at different zoom levels. If you see repeating artifacts, retry with frequency separation or lower clone opacity and resample. This prevents visible patterns and preserves natural texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.